missing someone.
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial using the James Charles palette. I've used it in videos, but it's always been a comparison video, but don't think I've actually done a full video using this. So, and it's been on the bottom of my palette drawer for a while and it really needs to be used. Yeah, not sure what I'm going to do. I won't lie, probably turn very creative by the end of it. I kind of want to try a tie-dye cut crease, and then I'm feeling like if I do the tie-dye thing, I kind of want to try and do a tie-dye skull. We'll see how we go. So yeah, without me rambling on, make sure to give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe, and leave me a lovely little comment down below, and let's get on with the video. So the look I want to create is this one from LSG Makeup from Lucy. Yeah. This could go tits up, so you know, we'll just go with the flow. We all like a fail, don't we? Yeah, I'm going to try and recreate this. I've kind of watched the video. Yeah, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a voiceover on this because it's going to be so hard to talk and concentrate, and I need to listen to music when it comes to this. So, you know. By speaker. Also, I just realised I've got a Tesco's delivery coming today, which I know I've got Tesco's delivery coming. I'm going to do this tie-dye effect and then do a skull face on my face and then see the delivery person. He's going to think I'm an absolute weirdo. Oh well, honey. I'm going in with a purple shade and I'm just dotting it, like, on the arch of my eyebrows. And just placing it there, and then I start to pack the next shadow around it, which you'll see in the next clip. I'm now taking Lip from the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. I actually realised in the intro that I said that I'm only using the James Charles palette. That's an absolute lie. I'm using about 100 palettes in this look, so, you know, sorry. And I'm just packing this around the purple and then packing the purple back in. I can actually say that this shadow is the yellow from the James Charles palette, and I think it's called B, and I'm just packing this around the orange shade. I'm now adding a light green shade. This is from the more Beauty Bay and Mixture palette. I'm now going into the dark green shade from the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm blending this, or adding this on to both sides. I'm now going into a light blue shade. This is from the Beauty Bay EY and Bright 42 palette. I'm now going into the Stacey Marie Carnival palette and using the dark blue shade, adding that on as well. I'm now using the micellar water and cotton pad, and then using one of my flat brushes and then carving out the crease and cleaning up the excess product to the next bit, which is like carving it out properly, putting eyeliner on, and yeah.
Invincible.
So this is the finished results, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you leave a lovely little comment of what you want to see next on my channel. Yeah, bye guys.